Hey folks, so thank you sa support nyo sa opinion video ko on Denise Julia, and now we're gonna do a a cappella cover ng Lakin. So wag nyo ako masyado i-bash. And this is short. Ooh, oh, oh, oh. Boy, you left me with no remedy. And now you're switching it up with no guarantee. I know you hit a late night text at 103. You think I miss the feeling of your body next to me. You must be out of your mind to be testing me. Matter of fact, I still find it way too hard to believe that I let somebody like you drain my energy, that we had history, 'cause in every memory you were lacking, lacking, every part you were lacking. Back then, used to hold it back in. How could I ever let this happen? Oh, oh. You were lacking, lacking, every part you were lacking. Back then, used to hold it back in. How could I ever let this happen? Oh, oh. Say I won't stop till I got you down on your knees. I won't stop until you're begging for me, please. Say I can stop until you're manifesting, manifesting me. And I can stop until I'm such a true to the air that you breathe. 'Cause everything's reminding me of how we used to be. I know your favorite movie, watch it till we fell asleep. And every morning wake up to your body top of me. But you be doing sneaky shit you thought I wouldn't see. Medyo wala na todo sa pangalawa. Actually, hindi naman madali ang R&B. And, yeah, regarding her voice, I really like her voice. Like, it's giving the late Aaliyah vibes. It's very masarap sa tenga. And, of course, nalalaro niya yung rhymes and stuff. Diba yung flow? It's very smooth. But, I really have a problem with her enunciation. Like, if I don't have the lyrics, parang, siguro one-third lang ng song medyo maintindihan ko, and I have sharp ears. So, yeah. Ano pa ba? Tapos yung magkakatunog. And so far, I think mga 10 songs na niya napakinggan ko. And I'm sorry but the NVMD, I really can't get into the song. But yeah, BAD, actually that was my choice before Lakin na i-cover because yeah, na vibe ko din yung song. And there's this other one, I think it was the sweet but something sweet spicy. So hold on, let me check. Sweet Denise Julia. Not sweet nothing sa parang sweet and spicy ba yun? Basta I forgot the title. Something like that na song. Yan lang. So, yeah. Regarding performance, I saw her Wish Bus performance, her busking performance sa BGC. They were okay. I mean, she's pretty okay as a live artist. Kapag yung medyo this, intimate venue siguro, but if it involves dancing, I can hear the notes jumping eh. So, I don't think you can really call her siguro a triple threat yet. I mean, the dance, one time ko lang napanood the clip from the circus music. Well, parang alam mo yun, hindi siya Sarah Geronimo level mag-perform. Like, yeah, sa live. I mean, live with a malaking audience and all where she needs to dance. So, yeah, I mean, she's not really a bad dancer, but it doesn't really stand out. And yun nga, parang naaalog yung notes. Medyo subisintonado siya. Medyo lang, as in super medyo lang. But I can hear it kapag there's dancing involved. Yun. But, at least, diba, she performs live, which is good. And, yun, sana umayos yung attitude niya. I mean, yeah. I mean, yeah, if he has anxiety and depression, it's not an excuse, you know why? Because as I mentioned sa ex ko, I mean, not ex as in ex-boyfriend. I mean, my ex account as I posted, I replied there to someone who mentioned that we shouldn't be ganging up on her. Girl, boy, whatever, diba? Whoever you are defending her, she has money. She has money. I mean, it would be okay sana if Like Otlum, 'di ba? Well, ngayon si Otlum may pera na, so sana magpa-check siya, 'di ba? But if it's someone, I mean, kung working class or someone poor, yeah, it can be an excuse. But if it's someone like her who has money, she has money, magpa-check siya. So, yeah. I mean, at least hindi naman siya yung mga Britney Spears level. Like, si Britney, sometimes I even ask myself, why am I even following her on one of my Instagram accounts, like my entertainment Instagram accounts? Because, like, I feel really sorry for her, even though, I mean, I'm sakto lang na Britney, Britney enjoyer, not really, I'm like, just a fan of a few, artists lang kasi, like, yeah. Napunta tayo kay Britney. So, yeah, Denise, yun, parang, as an R&B artist, she has a voice, but siguro sa style, I'm looking for more ompe. Something na, yeah, I mean, yeah, I actually compared her to Nadine Lustre, and I like Nadine Lustre's songs better, even though I know sorry Nadine fans, but marami siyang auto-tune, but, as a whole, I like Nadine as an artist, musically. Yeah, because she has her own style. And wala kasi ako masyado ma-compare. Like, I'm not really much into R&B, I guess. Or, yeah. I mean, I would, yeah. Because yung content din ng kanta parang, it's not me. It's like, this puri and mga on top of me lyrics. Parang, it's not me. I mean, I just look like this because, Dennis Julia ang kinanta natin, but I'm not really, you know, I'm kind of a manang when it comes to this thing. So, yun lang. Thank you for watching.